Hi there. In one of our last videos we talked about mortgages, home loans, and the fact that you do not always have to have a big old fat down payment to be able to buy a house. So one of the programs I want to talk about today is WHEDA, our WHEDA Loans, Wisconsin Housing and Economic Development Association. WHEDA is really nice because they do have some benefits, some added benefits for first-time buyers. They do have some added benefits for people that maybe make a little bit less money. WHEDA, to qualify, there is a maximum amount on that you can make to qualify for WHEDA, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. But for an example, WHEDA actually just dropped their interest rates this morning, today being February 1st. Right now, for first-time homeowner, the interest rate for a 30-year loan is 5.375%. If you're qualified for WHEDA, but you're not a first-time buyer, you only pay a quarter of a percentage point more. You pay 5.625. So they've got some really, really good interest rates right now. Now the way WHEDA works, number one, you have to have credit that qualifies. You also have to qualify income-wise, and again, we'll talk about that in just a minute. But the way WHEDA works is, for easy math, let's just say that you're buying a $100,000 house. You're not taking out one loan for the whole $100,000. What happens is WHEDA will give you a loan for 90% of the value of the home. So in this case, you're buying a $100,000 house, you get a loan for 97%, which is $97,000. You get a 30-year fixed rate loan at the interest rates that we just talked about if you were doing it today. And that's your monthly payment on the $97,000. Now you still owe $3,000. Now if you got the $3,000, you want to use it for a down payment, that's great. If you don't have the $3,000, what WHEDA will do is they will give you a second loan. It's basically a second mortgage on your property. They'll lend you the $3,000 that you still owe. They'll do a 10-year loan. So let's just say, for an example, that your $97,000 loan, just for easy math, let's just say it comes to $500. And let's say that your $3,000 loan comes to $100. Well, you got the $500, you got the $100, you send in $600 a month, there's your payment. They finance you the whole 100%. Now, you have to qualify income-wise, and that scares a lot of people. But to be honest with you, the qualifications for WHEDA are a lot more than what most people think. If you take a look at some of the following counties, if you take a look at Chippewa County, Eau Claire County, Dunn County, if you are a family of two, your income needs to be $91,000. Your household income needs to be $91,000 a year or less. If you're a family of three or more, that jumps up to just under $105,000, $104,650. So you got pretty good income limits there. Now there are what's called target areas. Now for an example, we live in Barron County. Barron County is a target area. If you're a family of one or two, the income level is $109,200. If you're a family of three or more, the income level is $127,400. Those target areas, for an example, are Barron County, Augusta, the city of Augusta, certain parts of Eau Claire. So again, that's some pretty high income limits. Again, if you take a look at Chippewa County, Dunn County, Eau Claire County, you know, that family of three or more, $104,650, so just under $105,000. Now, they also have a program where if you make 80% of the average median income, so for an example, in Barron County, if you are a family that makes $65,000 or less, $65,200 or less, you will pay less for mortgage insurance. And again, we'll talk about mortgage insurance at another time. But they have a lot of really, really great programs. The interest rates right now are fantastic, and there are a lot of other benefits that we will talk about at another time. So again, let us know how we can be of assistance. Feel free to check out our website, www.teamcunninghamwi.com. Call or text me at 715-296-7557. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like it, share it. If you're watching it on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and let us know if we can be of any assistance with anything. We look forward to hopefully talking to you soon. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye now.